how cold is not enough.
Like in the previous sessions, we got to know from detail like how to start, how to ideate your idea, it's your how to start ideation process, then how you are developing your product, then we came to know how to design a business model. Everything we got to know in last three sessions. Then what all, how different business models of different big companies, how they operate themselves. So we got to know about those all things. So today we would know, we would be learning. So after these processes are over, you are going to you are going to the market and you want to talk to some angel investor, or you want to talk to someone uh, whom you think that they will invest on you. So obviously you have to present your idea in front of them. There's a proper procedure how you present your idea. So that's called pitch desk. How you are pitching your idea in front of your investors, probable investors, or how you are like how you are showing your idea to them. Because if you just go and talk to them, yes, this is my idea, I want this much money, nobody is going to invest. They will see how heavily you have researched, like how you have noted it down. What's your like growth what's your revenue model, then everything which we would be talking. So there's a proper procedure how you present. So let's see how it goes, how you are pitching your idea. So we would be discussing on that. So yes, so this is a slide which basically while presenting people show. So first we write the startup name, what's our name, startup's name. Then what's the problem statement? Always before starting, before pitching your idea, always we have to discuss what's the problem which we are trying to solve. What is the, where was the gap which you found that you thought, yes, this, in this gap my idea could fit in. What was that basic problem which you are trying to solve? Suppose some food delivery issue, or getting something at your home, grocery delivery companies a lot are coming nowadays in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So you, what all problems basically you are seeing that yes, I want to start this idea. So first discuss about that. Let them know, yes, this is the problem which I saw that this problem exists in the society. Then idea overview means always try, सामने वाला नहीं बैठा है that they would be listening to you, like they would be giving you entire time. Just be crisp in one line. If you are able to present your idea in one line, yes, go for it. One line description, your idea overview, one line description. Just show them, yes, this is the idea which I'm like, this is the startup idea which I'm trying to follow. Your solution, what solution, what was the problem which you were focusing, and what's the solution which you are providing against that. In the solution slide you discuss everything about your startup, like in basic idea overview of your startup. In the idea overview you just give one line description about your startup. Then in your solution slide you discussed, yes, this is my solution, this was the problem, this is the solution, like yes, I would be doing this, this is my idea, this is my website, by this website my people were like, I would be trying to solve the problem which people had in the society.